background has become more stable and oil prices have rebounded after a recent slump. Brent was trading above $41 per barrel early in the day. However, oil quotes may still drop below $40 per barrel, and this will surely weigh on the ruble, which slightly appreciated against the weakening US dollar in the morning session. In the early trade, oil prices were down due to the report from the American Petroleum Institute. The data showed an increase in US stockpiles by 3.9 million barrels, whereas the market expected a drop in inventories. The bulls managed to gain momentum in the mid-session and sent Brent up above $41 per barrel. Yet it was not easy for the bulls to hold at high levels. Later on, Brent contract for August turned negative and was trading at $40.88 per barrel. The American crude followed the same trajectory. The nearest WTI futures settled at $38.30. It seems that today fears over the second wave of coronavirus have waned. Therefore, the risk sentiment has slightly improved, supported by the rise in retail sales in the US. This was a signal for investors that business activity in the US is gradually recovering. Still, this optimistic sentiment may not last long, and the market remains highly volatile. Traders continue to closely watch the epidemiological situation in China. The resurgence of the virus outbreak may trigger a new round of sell-offs in the market. China reported 31 new COVID-19 cases in Beijing over the past day, including those with no symptoms. In the evening, market participants will switch their attention to the data from the US Energy Department. Markets hope that the report will show a decrease in US crude inventories. Meanwhile, the ruble is holding steady and is trading at comfortable levels. During the day, the dollar-ruble pair edged slightly higher to 69 rubles 76 kopecks. If oil keeps trading above $40 per barrel, the ruble has good chances of settling near the current levels. At the moment, the pair is facing resistance at the level of 69.2. The ruble is unlikely to break through this level due to the worsening virus situation in Beijing. It is rather expected to retreat to the mark of 70 and above, especially if the coronavirus cases in China surge. At the same time, the ruble may find support from the currency purchases carried out by the Bank of Russia. In addition, the tax payment period and dividend payouts to major exporting companies may serve as another bullish factor for the ruble. Today, the Russian Ministry of Finance is set to hold 3 auctions on federal loan bonds ahead of the central bank's policy meeting on Friday. However, traders are skeptical about the auctions as they may provide little support for the ruble. Recently, the demand for Russian debt securities among foreign investors has significantly decreased. And that is all for now. Thank you for being with us and see you back soon.